How's it going, everyone? This is JP Lopez reporting live from Russ Darrow Nissan of Milwaukee. And today I'm here to present you guys this pre-owned vehicle that we have in our lot. It is a 2016 Volkswagen GTI 2.0 turbo with the 4-door option, front wheel drive. And yeah, let's take a closer look. All right, guys, so this GTI comes equipped with 18-inch wheels, red calipers, as the GTI is known for, with those red calipers that really stand out, makes that wheel pop out with that bright red. And taking a closer look to the interior, we have checkered GTI seats. These are very popular with throughout the years on the MK models that the Volkswagen brand has produced. A closer look to the interior. Turn that bad boy on. How the cabin looks like for entertainment or for the radio. It comes equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Has different options as far as media, phone, all those options as your regular entertainment. Center console comes equipped with. Closer look at the dashboard. Comes also equipped with these pedal shifters if you want to go and take an extra step on that sport mode option. And even though this is a small vehicle, it's very spacious, very spacious. That's the second row for you guys. And when it comes to the trunk, very spacious trunk too. We have the GTI mats and the regular Volkswagen Golf mats too. Option for you guys to have. So there you have it, guys. The 2016 Volkswagen GTI. Come on in, take it for a spin, schedule a test drive, so you guys can have a better feel on this sporty GTI with the 210 horsepower that it offers. So yeah, fun vehicle. Spring's coming up. Definitely a nice ride to have for that warm weather coming up. So yeah, come on in and give us a call. Thank you.